G'day ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. For today's episode, I'm going to be using lentils and coconut cream to create a very simple curry with a few ingredients that you guys can make at home as well. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to be informed when I post new videos. Now that I've got the curry made and on the back burner, I'm going to show you a super easy way to make some coconut rice. I'm going to make that using the reduction method. What that means is the rice is going to cook as the liquid reduces. When it's done right, it's hands down the best way. It's going to get 1 cup of rice in the pot, and then some more coconut cream. Okay, so just going to go 1 cup of coconut cream, and to that I'm going to add 1.5 cups of water, some black pepper, and just a handful of salt. Go a little bit more. So I'm basically just going to bring that to the boil and then turn it down a little bit, keep cooking it, and then once all the liquid's reduced, drop the heat down to very low and then put the lid on and then cook it for another probably 5 minutes or so. and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed today's dish of coconut and lentil curry with coconut rice. If you did, make sure you smash the like button and I'll see you in the next one.